Tama siya sa akin.
Gusto niyo ba manood?
Ay!
Ha?
Diyos ko.
Sarap niyong paglaruan lahat? Si Bimbi.
Sa kamukha si
OA. OA. Alam, nagiging Chris Aquino ako sa'yo ah. So, ikaw pala si Chris. Playgirl. Playgirl yan. It depends. Why not? I'm gonna be a playgirl for you. Just taste your own medicine. Sa'yo mga two. Charot.
Pakita mo sila.
Uy, hitlist ka na nga ni.
Ano, pakita mo, babe. Pakita mo. Ano?
Walang bagsak. Si Bin lang eh. Si Bin, kilala ko yan si Bin na. Walang excitement. Aray, tropa yan si Bin oh. Nawala na akong gana. Give energy.
Ayan, si third.
Si third, ano yan? That's not good. It's like, oh my gosh. Naging Hindi ko na kaya sumayaw.
Ayan, okay.
Ano yan? Food box? Grabe
Okay.
food.
Pwede na yan.
How much
Panalo
yun?
ka,
How much yun?
babe. Panalo.
Ano yan?
Food box, panalo ka. Nanalo si third. Okay, sayaw na daw, babe.
Wala yan.
Saya.
Itong ang food box.
Anong tugtog?
Third.
Wet
Wag
na
na yan.
bed, wet
Wag
na
mong
bed.
pagbigyan. Itong food box.
Pwede.
Third. Sasayaw ako baguhin mo yung pangalan mo first.
Wet the bed.
First. Third ka, diba? Pangatlo ka.
Wet the
Pesos.
bed.
Unti-untiin ko kayo, Gagi. Dapat unti-unti lang. Sabi kasi ni Eka, tinuruan niya ako. Siya ang veteran dito. Unti-unti lang, wag ibibigay lahat. Pero relationship lang yan. Just like, even he got you, just make it
Uy,
unti-unti.
baka sa sobrang likot mo, magalaw mo nga makikita.
Just make it little by little. So, your jowa is like being, please, don't leave me. Mahal. Don't leave me.
Huwag kang tumikit sa akin, madumi na ako.
It's okay. I want a man
Ano daw,
that's obsessed with me.
sabi ni third, acting.
Acting?
Acting, papwet. Papwet
Uy,
ka.
baka maban ka
Hindi, flirty. Flirty daw, flirty. Papwet ka. Game. Ano, scared muna. Scared.
Guys, I don't know how to flirt in public.
Game.
My
Scared
flirting is
muna.
like for only my man.
Game, scared.
Good. This is not good, ah. Don't do it to me. Don't do this to me, guys. My flirtiness is for my man. Oh my God. That's not good. You do whatever you do what you say, whatever you do want to, blah, blah, blah. Putik. I don't wanna make mura na. If Eka's ban here, you don't see me na anymore. So, diba? Isakal Bibi, oh. Baby, you sent already na? Let me see. Yung kala ko. Oo. I think that's your dream. Oh my God. Hawak mo ang beat, hawak mo ang gabi. Guys, I enjoyed so much yesterday. It's like, nakabalik pa naman, yes, nakabalik pa. Guys, I thought we're gonna forever na. I'm gonna say sorry to Eka na nga sana. Because I feel it's my fault.
Bakit?
If you're banned forever.
Hindi, it's okay.
Other account?
O yan lang, first time
she
tumang
got
third.
TikTok.
Okay, first time tumang ni na third ng ganyan katagal, babe. So, kailangan mong entertain sila,
Sino?
game. Sila third, sina SBIP. O, game.
Hawak mo ang beat, hawak mo ang...
Layo-layuan mo naman, babe. O,
Hey,
yan.
9 pesos. I don't like it. It's not... Guys, if I said yes to 9 pesos, you always send 9 pesos. Like, make it higher a little bit. You know? You know what I mean? Yes. I feel bad. You know, guys, I have, guiltiness. Don't do it. Okay? Yan pala totoong itsura. Of course. Ito naman ang totoong itsura ko, sharpened ah. Anong devilish? I'm super devilish. I'm not a devil. It's I devilish. Me. Tawang-tawa si Sakal. Sarap mong sakalit. Pero mas masarap talaga manakal talaga eh. You know what I mean? Aray ko! Shout out sa kilikili. Oh, may bayad din yan. I know! I know it! I know it! Because you guys, I know, men there's fetish. You know fetish? I know you guys there, watching there, out there.
Sabi bumata
There's fetishes. So, there's bayad. It means a lot to him, to her. Because she looks young, you know?
Ikaw daw, ikaw kasi naka-live.
Kaya nga, parang bumata ka kung
Oo,
may
kasi
nila.
ikaw daw naka-live.
So, I'm happy because she's young, not look old, right? Thank you, third and fourth and fifth. But I like your name as a first because third is like a third. You know? But if you're first, you're a first priority, first everything. I wanna change your mind to change your name as a first. Ang tawa na naman kayo. Oh. Guys, you know guys, I enjoy so much talking to you. Oh. Even sometimes, nasira ng sistema si Ekab. Nasira ng sistema. Yan pala totoong itsura. Of course. Ito naman ang totoong itsura ko, sharpened ah. Anong devilish? I'm super devilish. I'm not a devil. It's I devilish. Me. Tawang-tawa si Sakal. Sarap mong sakalit. Pero mas masarap talaga manakal talaga eh. You know what I mean? Aray ko! Shout out sa kilikili. Oh, may bayad din yan. I know! I know it! I know it! Because you guys, I know, men there's fetish. You know fetish? I know you guys there, watching there, out there.
Sabi bumata
There's fetishes. So, there's bayad.